everyone. Here has been a great and hard one. We are not celebrating on the festive mood only. We are equally celebrating our we have really come a long way. Listen, cancer, service benefits, and a lot of things have been achieved this year. I am glad and also happy that this year, for this first half, we have really come a long way, and we have given birth to two different districts, 04B5 and District 4, 04B6. And I want to especially appreciate everyone that regards the pillars of the presidents, zone chair, region chairpersons, and all the committee chairpersons. You have all performed wonderfully well. And this 2012, I still want to continue to appreciate everyone. Like I've said before, we have done our year. 2025 times service year. And we need to continue to grow our membership. We need to shatter more clubs. We need to make sure that we continue to carry out our service activity. This year, our core service area is functional relief and also this development. Let us fill our interest in this area. Just make sure that we impact our works. Let our community benefit from what we are doing. I also want to tell everyone, Lions as individuals, invite friends, invite your families. Let us serve together. I always wish, and I wish, that there could be a day that entire sport form the higher, and that will mean more members, more service. We grow our membership in the entire world, and our world will be a better place for all of us to live in. I am calling on all members of the Tower Public. Let us have a team. Let us continue to work as a team. I pray that God will strengthen us at this period. Just make sure that we are loved. Let us give back to the society. Let us put smile on the faces of the less privileged. I remain the district, Oluwatemi Agboola Eribake.
I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.